AI in VoiceBot, beginner level. Introduction. AI in VoiceBot means using artificial intelligence to create systems that can talk, listen, and interact with humans using voice. VoiceBots are used in customer support calls, smart assistants, banking services, booking systems, help desks. Instead of typing, users can speak naturally, and the AI system understands and responds. Examples include voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, automated call center systems, voice-based customer support, IVR, interactive voice response systems. This topic helps beginners understand how AI can communicate using speech. It introduces key AI concepts such as speech recognition, speech means text, natural language processing, NLP, text-to-speech, text means voice, intent detection, dialogue systems. What is AI in VoiceBot? AI in VoiceBot is the use of intelligent systems to understand spoken language and respond using voice. In simple words, AI in VoiceBot equals AI that listens, understands, and speaks like a human. A beginner view includes listening to voice, converting speech to text, understanding meaning, generating response, converting response to voice. Why AI in VoiceBot is important. Voice interaction is natural, fast, hands-free. AI voice bots help by providing instant support, reducing human workload, improving accessibility, enabling 24/7 service, supporting multiple languages. Basic components of AI in VoiceBot. Component purpose, speech recognition, convert voice into text. NLP engine, understand the meaning. Intent detection, identify user goal. Dialogue manager, decide response. Text to speech, TTS, convert text into voice. Example of VoiceBot. Data voice input equals check my account balance. Check my balance. If balance in text. Print intent check balance. Simple AI VoiceBot example. Python. User input equals hello. If user input equals hello. Print. VoiceBot, hello. How can I help you? How AI in VoiceBot works. Step 1. Capture voice input. Speech equals I want to book a ticket. Step 2. Convert speech to text. Text equals speech. Step 3. Understand meaning. NLP. If book in text. Print booking intent detected. Step 4. Generate response. And can help you book a ticket. Print response. Step 5. Convert text to voice. Print speaking response. AI in customer support. Voice bots answer customer queries. Query equals refund. If query equals refund. Print processing refund request. AI in banking voice bots. Voice bots handle banking requests. Command equals check balance. If command equals check balance. Print your balance is $1,000. AI in booking systems. Voice bots handle reservations. Request is book hotel. If book in request. Print booking initiated. AI in smart assistants. Voice bots help with daily tasks. Task equals set alarm. If task equals set alarm. Print alarm set successfully. AI in call center voice bots. Voice bots automate phone calls. Issue equals billing. If issue equals billing, print routing to billing support. Full menu-based voice bot example. Def handle query, text equals input. Speak your query. If balance in text, print your balance is $1,000. Elif book in text, print booking service activated. Else, print sorry, I didn't understand. Def greeting, print hello, welcome to VoiceBot. Def help menu, print you can ask about balance, booking, or support. While true, print N1 start VoiceBot, print 2 help, print 3 exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, greeting, handle query. Elif choice equals 2, help menu. Elif choice equals 3, break. Else print invalid option. Concepts learned from AI in VoiceBot. Speech recognition, NLP basics, intent detection, dialogue systems, text-to-speech, real-world AI applications, real-life analogy. AI voice bots are like a customer service agent you talk to on the phone. They can listen to your voice, understand your request, decide what to do, speak back with a response. Ways to improve a VoiceBot project. Use speech APIs, Google Speech, Whisper. Improve NLP with transformers. Add multilingual support. Build conversational flows. Add emotion detection. Integrate with back-end systems. Use real-time streaming. Add personalization. Common mistakes beginners make. Max, assuming perfect speech recognition. Ignoring accents and noise. Poor conversation design. Not handling unclear input. Overcomplicating logic. Where AI in VoiceBot is used. Call centers, banking systems, smart home assistants, healthcare support, travel booking systems, customer service platforms, automotive systems, retail services. Large systems may include conversational AI, speech engines, dialogue systems, voice analytics. Simple definition. AI in VoiceBot. The use of artificial intelligence to understand and respond to human speech using voice. Final summary. AI in VoiceBots enables machines to communicate naturally using voice. It provides check. Hands-free interaction. Check. Faster communication. Check. Better accessibility. Check. 24/7 support. Check. Intelligent automation. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI powers voice-based systems and assistants.